Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing you the developments shaping markets, capital access, and business decision-making across Jamaica and the region. Let's get into the stories that matter. The Jamaica Bankers Association, JBA, has elected Mrs. Chorvell Johnson Cunningham of Sagicor Bank as its president for the 2026-2027 year. The election took place on July 16, 2026. Also elected our first Vice President, Radcliffe Daly, head of First Global Bank. Second Vice President, Jerome Smalling, head of JMMB Bank. Treasurer, Eva Lewis, head of Citibank. Additionally, the Honorary Secretary is Paul Elliott, head of VM Building Society. The JBA expresses sincere appreciation to outgoing President Mrs. Audrey Tugwell Henry of Scotiabank for her sterling service as President since October 2023. Managing Director of BPM Financial, Peter Rose Hall, is proposing that the government invest $100,000 for every child born in Jamaica last year as part of a long-term strategy to address the country's retirement savings gap. Speaking to RJR News, Mrs. Hall argued that the proposal would cost the government about $3 billion annually, a relatively small amount compared with a $1.44 trillion national budget, and the long-term social and economic costs of an aging population with inadequate retirement savings. She pointed to data from the Pensions Industry Association of Jamaica showing that only 20%, or about 283,000 of the country's 1.4 million workers, are enrolled in approved retirement schemes. Mrs. Hall said that if the government invested $100,000 for each newborn, the fund could grow to about $15 million by the time that child reaches the age of retirement at 65. For the trading period of July 20, 2026, the most actively traded securities were Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited with 9,483,954 units, representing 39.48% of market sales. Lasco Financial Services Limited with 3,003,346 units, representing 12.5% of market sales. Woodcats International Limited with 1,486,267 units, representing 6.19% of market sales. Investor activity remained concentrated in transportation, finance, and distribution plays, signaling continued interest in dividend-producing and strategic assets. Turning to the foreign exchange market based on Bank of Jamaica data for July 20, 2026, Forex traders recorded significant activity with strong demand across major currencies. US dollar had trading margins reflecting steady liquidity, the US selling at $159.48 and buying at $157.81. For the Canadian dollar, moderate gains supported by $3.21 transaction spreads. The Canadian dollar sold for $114.50 and was bought for $111.29. For the British pound, continued volatility offered short-term trading opportunities of $5.48 in profits for the banks. The British pound sold for $215.42 and was bought for $209.94. These movements underscore the importance of cash flow timing and currency awareness for businesses managing import costs, debt servicing, or overseas exposure. For our credit report for the day, real estate investors often focus on finding the right property, but your credit report can be just as important. A healthy credit report can improve your chances of loan approval, help you qualify for better interest rates, and increase your borrowing capacity as you grow your portfolio. On the other hand, missed payments, high debt, or inaccurate information can limit your financing options. Before making your next investment, take time to review your credit report. Strengthening your credit profile today can open the door to greater real estate opportunities tomorrow. And that's today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing clarity to capital, markets, and strategy. Until next time, stay informed, stay intentional, and keep building forward. See you soon.